Hey everybody, I'm going to tell you all about EatingWell's healthy take on a low-carb diet, plus show you how to make 2 insanely easy, really delicious low-carb recipes from our 30-day low-carb meal plan. As a dietitian and a devoted carb lover, I am not a fan of low-carb diets. The problem is most people end up losing weight way too quick. Healthy weight loss is 1 to 2 pounds per week, and if you lose any more than that, chances are you're going to gain it back plus some. And one other thing that I don't love about low-carb diets is that they eliminate the best sources of fiber that we can have. Fiber is amazing for weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight, it's actually something that you should be eating more of. A high-fiber meal also keeps us feeling fuller for longer after a meal, to help us get to the next one without feeling that need to oversnack. Additionally, fiber can also bind with some calories in food. So rather than absorbing them, you pass them out with the fiber. But here's the deal. I would much rather you come to me and EatingWell for a low-carb meal plan that is either created by a registered dietitian or reviewed by a registered dietitian. So I met you in the middle and came up with this 30-day low-carb meal plan. This meal plan is low in carbs, but not so low that you're gonna miss out on important nutrients like satisfying fiber, energizing B vitamins, and then stress-reducing and sleep-enhancing magnesium. So we're gonna be making 2 recipes today, the superfood chopped salad, and we're also gonna make these low-carb blueberry muffins. I'm gonna start by turning the oven on. It's gotta be at 350 degrees. So in here I have baking soda, baking powder, almond flour, and coconut flour. I'm just gonna combine them together lightly. A cup of fresh blueberries, these are local, lightly mix it up. So in here I have brown sugar, milk, avocado oil, vanilla extract, and eggs. Give this a whisk. We've got our dry, we've got our wet. We're just gonna mix them together. This is all set. Now I'm gonna put it into my handy dandy muffin tin. All right, so these I'm gonna pop in the oven. While those guys are cooking, we're gonna move on to the salmon. Chopped salads are another weight loss kind of secret. They are so hearty and filling. Kale, easiest thing to get the leaves off the stem. This big, lovely batch of kale, we just gotta get chopping. Doesn't have to be perfect, just like a rough kind of chop. I like it really bite-sized. Chopped broccoli, cut it in half. Now, if you were wanting to make this ahead of time, leave this broccoli out because the broccoli is a thing that tends to be the most pungent smelling. You could just leave it out and add it to your salad when you're ready. Kind of start just shredding it like that, and then we can cut it in half. Come on, look at those. We're gonna let them cool here while we finish chopping. I already can tell that this is probably more than I need. It's very satisfying sometimes chopping. I just like don't stop myself. 2 cups of carrots. You can peel it if you want to. I'm not going to. Purple on the outside, with a yellow carrot on the inside. That will do it. Next step, super simple, is to get the salmon going. Put the oven on high broil. This method of cooking salmon is my absolute favorite because it's quick, it's super easy, and it cooks salmon perfectly every single time. All we're doing is dropping this piece and into the oven it goes for 8 to 12 minutes. So while that salmon is in there, we're gonna move on to the dressing. We will need about a half cup of yogurt, and the yogurt just helps to cut summer for you. So sour cream it is, which is not a bad thing. I love sour cream with a passion. Lemon juice, so some Parmesan. 2 teaspoons of this. We need some garlic. But just give it a good fine mince. In goes the garlic. Now parsley. Hefty tablespoon there. I'll be back. Gotta go to the garden to get some chives. Here we go. Tablespoon of chives. Just a little pepper. Let's shake it up, give it a taste, and see if it's where you want it to be. There you go. This is one of those dressings. I would eat salads for every meal if I was putting this on top of it. So that was a broiler. What it did, really simple. Our beautiful chopped salad here. A good drizzle. I love the crunch of sunflower seeds so much on top of salads, so I'm gonna sprinkle those on top. How delish looking, right? Cheers. 10 out of 10. Muffin time, because they're delicious. So you can find these yummy recipes and so many more in our 30-day meal plan. So enjoy. Don't forget to like this video, share it with all of your friends, and subscribe to EatingWell for more videos like this. Thanks. Bye.